Good afternoon, my 4th and 5th grade students. This is Mrs. Bustos. I'm going to walk you through a couple of lessons that we're going to be doing on digital citizenship. Each of you should have this digital citizenship packet. We are going to turn to the first page, which talks about privacy. In this example, there's twins, Tyrone and Tina. Tyrone makes good choices online, where sometimes Tina makes poor choices online. In this next exercise, on the following page, you are to illustrate a film strip of Tyrone is at a sleepover. One of the boys is snoring loudly while he sleeps. So in this area, you're going to draw your first scene, second scene, third scene. And then in this area, Tyrone is making good choices. What would he do with his video? And on the following page, the same thing. You're going to draw a scene for Tina at her sleepover, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. And she's making poor choices with her online. What do you think she might do that might be a poor choice? And this is where you would fill in these topics. What might she do that would be poor choices? If you have extra time, there is create your own comic strip where Tina and Tyrone are on a website together. A message suddenly appears. It says you're a winner. Type in your name and address. What do you think Tyrone would do in this situation? And what do you think Tina might do in this situation? And the directions are for you to draw your own film strip, beginning, middle, and end scene. I will be talking to you again on our next session next Monday. Have a great week. Miss you all. Bye.